Hey guys! As part of our Hong Kong trip, we made sure to include a side trip to Macau since super accessible lang niya. Imagine visiting another country for just one day and get another stamp on your passport. So, samahan nyo kami for a day tour to explore Macau. Getting to Macau from Hong Kong is only a 1-hour travel via ferry, which we find more convenient and straightforward travel kesa mag-bus. Yes, may option mag-bus. Nag-walk-in lang kami for the tickets to make sure na hindi namin mamimiss ang aming schedule kasi unpredictable talaga ang start ng day pag big group kayo or family ang kasama. And don't worry, frequent naman ang trips nila. Just check the schedule ahead of time to avoid waiting or hassle. Before boarding, you'll go through immigration. Parang airport lang but faster. Don't forget your passport and make sure everything is ready para smooth lang and be there at least 30 minutes from departure time. Maganda ang ferry nila dito guys. Maayos and malinis. Meron ding bilihan ng food inside. And very comfortable ang seats nila para kang nasa airplane. So if you are taking a ferry from Hong Kong to Macau, you actually have 2 arrival options. And this is very important when planning your itinerary. The first option is the Outer Harbor Ferry Terminal. This is located in the Macau Peninsula, which is perfect if your itinerary is only limited to historical spots like Senado Square, ruins of St. Paul's, or kung dito nyo gusto simulan ng tour para less travel once you arrive. The second option is the Taipa Ferry Terminal. This one is closer to the modern side of Macau, like Cotai. Ito yung may mga Europe vibe na hotels and casinos. So tip lang, choose your ferry terminal based on your first destination in Macau para hindi na kayo pabalik-balik. In our case, we chose Taipa Ferry Terminal para sisimulan namin sa Cotai. Habang fresh pa and panigurado kasi na dito ang may pinakamaraming lakad talaga guys. Then we will end it at Fisherman's Wharf, which is malapit na lang sa bus terminal going back to Hong Kong. Once you arrive in Macau, dadaan pa rin ang immigration and it's again super quick and smooth. Then minit na namin agad yung tour guide namin na nabook lang namin from the Facebook groups. This is actually second time for me and my husband, pero we still decided to get a tour guide kasi nakakaligaw sa loob ng mga casino dito and we want to maximize our time since may seniors kaming kasama and toddler. Merong parang food court dito pagkalabas mo ng port and there are many options for food. So sakto ngang lunchtime kami dumating, so kumain na muna kami para tuloy-tuloy na sa tour. For this whole trip nga pala guys, nagdala talaga kami ng food ni Jarvis kasi we were unsure kung kakain ba siya ng Chinese food and to be safe na din. As mentioned from my Hong Kong vlog, malalaki ang serving nila ng meals dito guys. Kaya pwede for 2 persons ang isang order or for sharing. For our first stop, sasakay lang kami ng free shuttle which is nasa labas lang ng port and nirecommend to sa amin ng tour guide namin. Similar to guys sa mga sikat na casinos dito sa atin sa Manila na merong mga free shuttle from malls. We will first explore the modern side of Macau which is called Cotai. Dito mo makikita yung mga sikat na hotels and casinos like the Venetian Macau for Venice, Italy vibe, and the Parisian Macau where they have their own Eiffel Tower. Magkakalapit lang sila guys, as in super convenient. Pwede mo lang lakarin or mag-shuttle kaya hindi hassle mag-ikot. Nakakaligaw lang talaga inside the malls and casinos sa sobrang lawak. Sobrang ganda talaga dito guys, para ka na ding nakapunta ng Europe. First stop. Hey! Welcome to Macau! First location.
Come here. Let's get the ball. Where's the ball? Come here, Jarvis. Where's SpongeBob? SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob. SquarePants!
Thank you. Okay na kami doon. Basta may isang maayos. Hoy, bata. Grabe, ang ganda ng elevator. Elevator gaming lagi pag may stroller. Mahirap na baka hindi pwede gawin ang tulad ng ginagawa sa Pinas. Dito ko pinicture si Zion dati, oh. Ngayon si Jarvis na.
Sabon.
Napaka-social ng mall na ito. Kahit padaba ka dyan, magulong-gulong ka dyan. You're safe. Go to Tita, 1, 2, 3, go!
Kasi ka sa gilid.
Oh, look at that.
Hindi ba yan?
Paano tayo ano, Ned? Yung iharap sa mukha. Nakakagulat.
Congratulations!
Bibing makulit na hindi nag-picture. Say hi po. Hi! Punta kami sa escalator. Yung trending siya sa TikTok. Yung basta, ayun na yun. Ganun ko yung feeling mag-vlog. Parang balik. So, here's my boyfriend. My boyfriend!
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Macau. And we're going to...
Hong Kong!
Tuwan-tuwa yung bata. Kilig na kilig. Kilig na kilig.
Tawa tayo. Mag-group picture naman tayo.
Rolling! 3, 2, 1, action! Hindi, wala pang 0.6 yun.
How's Macau?
It's good. It's really good. It's great. It's a great tour. It's a great place. It's great. It's a great...
It's great.
Ba't di natin ka baba?
Eh kasi parang kita yung tower. Hindi ka makunan.
Natatakpan ko na kayo.
Ayun yung tower, oh.
Pinuntahan din nga pala namin ang sikat na spot na to para sa mala drone shots cinematic na eksena. O diba, all thanks yan sa escalator na nasa gilid. Malapit lang to sa bus stop kaya dumiretso na rin kami for the next destination. Next stop na pero yung energy namin parang ubos na agad kakalakad. We are now moving to the other side of Macau at dahil napagod na kami at nagutom, it's the perfect time for the free taste adventure. With the guidance of our tour guide, commute lang kami sa lahat ng transportation dito guys. Hindi naman palipat-lipat ang sakay and by the way, they also accept Hong Kong dollar for payment.
Hanap free taste.
Magandang.
Okay, mag-iway-walay.
Oy, wala mag-iway-walay. Mama!
Uy!
Mama!
Mahilig ka pa mas tingin-tingin.
Uy, wahiwalay pa naman. Naku, wala pa naman tayong internet. Naku.
Nako guys, hindi talaga kompleto ang Macau experience nyo na hindi kayo makadaan dito. Lalo na kung nasa itinerary nyo ang Ruins of St. Paul kasi ito at ito lang din ang dadaanan nyo para makarating doon.
Unang free taste. Second free taste. Third.
Grabe, ang sarap nito.
Ano ba ito?
Almond cookies.
Almond cookies.
Almond cookies.
How much this one? 128?
128 buy two 45
So ito. How many pieces inside?
24
24. 24 pieces. Gusto ko, bibili ako. Do you accept credit card, Visa, payment?
okay Visa okay
Visa, okay. Okay daw, Visa payment. Visa payment.
Cool.
Next.
Ito nga at may isang shop dito na talagang nagtagal kami at maraming nabili.
So,
Ito, worth na ano. Grabe, nasa isang store pa lang kami. Parang busog na kami agad ng free taste. Isang store pa lang to. Buti tulog si Jarvis sa kasulat yung tatay.
Hello, are you okay?
Yeah, all good.
Shopping car.
Yeah, later. No need. Thank you. No need.
Egg tart.
Egg tart? No.
Number one original.
No, all good.
Next one. Yeah, egg tart. Egg tart, no. Only a cookie.
No!
Boom.
Ayan na. Tourist mode na talaga si ate.
Rinibuild ulit, nasunog ulit. Kasi puno, kahoy yung kahoy yung gamit. Kasi nga 15th century, wala pang mga...
Pwede ka ba ipakita sa vlog? Si Ate Cherry ang aming guide. Hi! Ang paparos na lasa.
Ang kilo 130, teo?
1:1 na yung Hong Kong dito, tapos
Ano?
pero pag maganda, magbayad ka ng mga card. Visa card, Mastercard, GoTime. Baka umani lang yung currency.
Napabili si Madam. Napabili.
Kami dyan, Le.
Yung beef din.
Ito yung spicy.
Hati mo na, may spicy ka ba? Pwede ka lahat spicy?
Ay, si Mama ate sa spicy.
wala daw ko sa Pinas.
8 years? Kaya yung beef.
Magkano daw ganyan na?
138 lang.
Dito pala yung libre kain mo.
Busog na merienda.
Chicharon.
Medyo kinulang na kami sa oras so nag-skip na kami ng ibang spots around Senado Square at dumiretso na kami sa last location namin, which is the Fisherman's Wharf. Pwede kayo dito mag-snacks since may mga restaurant and bilihan ng food. Then, magsawa ulit, kaka-picture.
Oh, you eat nga, you eat. Can you eat the ice cream?
Marunong. Nice.
Sayang yung ice cream mo.
More sa the goods na the food. Come on, let's go.
There's more to see here. Inside. Oh. I think it's like a theater. Yan, dito daw tayo mag-picture sa bilog. Para kitang-kita.
Hindi ka kasali ah.
Okay, bus Macau to Hong Kong. We're in a second floor.
And sadly, it's time to head back to Hong Kong bago pa kami gabihin ng sobra. If you are also planning a DIY Macau day trip, one of the easiest and most affordable way back is through the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge Shuttle Bus, also called the Golden Bus. It operates 24 hours a day with buses arriving every 5 to 15 minutes depending on the time. So okay lang kahit magpaabot ka ng late dito. In our case kasi, maliban sa pagod na, meron pa kasi kaming planned birthday dinner. So from Macau, we headed to the Macau Port Terminal, bought our tickets, passed through immigration, and boarded the bus going to Hong Kong Port. The actual bus ride takes around 40 to 45 minutes, then sumakay kami ulit ng bus going back to our Airbnb. Meron ding option to take the ferry back to Hong Kong, especially if ang destination nyo is around Central or Kowloon areas. Though, mas mahal nga lang siya compared to the bridge bus. Overall, Macau was such a fun and easy side trip from Hong Kong. So if you are visiting Hong Kong and you have an extra day, we'd definitely recommend adding Macau to your itinerary. Thanks guys for coming along with us. If you are also interested to see my Hong Kong vlog, just visit my channel and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!
Pagod din. Okay, we're in the US. That's my breath.
Para kang nasa ano talaga, Frozen.